It is estimated that every year 55,000 to 73,000 species will go extinct. Although extinction is a part of nature, but the current rate of extinction is 1,000 times more than expected. This huge increase is mainly because of human activities, so it is our responsibility to restore order. However, we do not have the time or resources to save all endangered animals. Hence, our best strategy so far is to save keystone species. Keystone species are groups of organisms that are vital to their ecosystems, and any change in their numbers can cause a trophic cascade, where devastating effects will ripple in the ecosystem in surprising ways. For example, the gray wolf, which went extinct in 1930s because of hunting. The absence of gray wolf in the Yellowstone parks where it lived caused devastating effects that changed the river flows and the populations of literally all 10,000 species living in Yellowstone Park. There are other countless examples, and it is becoming more and more evident that we need to save keystone species. However, conservation decisions were not so calculated. For example, New Zealand's Maud Island frog can be saved for the cost of keeping a panda alive in captivity for about 6 months. Giant pandas are not keystone species, and they are extraordinarily expensive to keep in captivity. So far, billions of dollars were spent on saving the giant pandas without any remarkable success. That's because pandas are the hardest animals to breed in captivity, and they only eat one plant, which is bamboo, that is very unnutritious. Yet those cute bears get more of our conservation money than any other endangered species. You have probably never seen a campaign to save the stinking cedar or the big-nosed frog. But unlike pandas, these species are vital to the survival of all ecosystems, and they are simpler to save and less expensive to protect. Their only flaw is ugliness. We have to stop and think if we really should let appearances decide who lives and who dies, regardless of what's actually right.